Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a 3D pyramid in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to draw a 3D pyramid in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Smart Art option and choose pyramid. Then we can see here many pyramid. We choose a pyramid and press OK. Now we can see here we insert a pyramid, but this pyramid attach this text. Now I want to remove this text box. Click the first pyramid and click text, then press enter on the type text here. Then select the first box and press delete. Then delete another text box. Now we can see here a pyramid. Now we resize the pyramid some big and click the pyramid. Then go to the design menu. Then click Smart Art Style. Then click the drop down menu and choose a 3D style. Now I select the style and change the color. I select the color and we go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Then cross the window. Then you apply some another effect like text effect or shapes effect. Select the preset and apply this preset, or apply shadows, reflection, etc. Now we can see here we draw a 3D pyramid very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.